Great. I'm going to show you how to start thinking about a quotient and a remainder because today we are busy with quotient and a remainder. So first things first, let's pretend I have 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There I've got 10 apples, okay? Now, what I want us to think is, what if I want to divide these apples between two people? So then obviously that's one person and two person. So I will give one apple this side, then I will tick it like we did in the younger grades, remember? And then again, another apple, another apple, another apple, another apple. Okay, so I've done the whole division thing, and then you will see that child number 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Child number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So that means 10 divided by 2 people gives 5 apples each. But what if I want to divide those apples between 3 friends? Okay, so I'll give apple, apple, apple. Apple, 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 apple. I've got 9 apples. But there's 1 apple left. Now what do I do now? Nothing. No one's getting that apple. That basically means that 10 divided by 3 friends will give 3 apples each, but there will be 1 apple left. Okay, so the remainder is 1 and the quotient is 3. So 10 divided by 3 will be 3 remainder 1. We can even do that 10 apples with 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 friends. Apple, 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 apple. So I've got 8 apples and 9 and 10. That means only these friends will get 3 and those ones will get 2, which means it's unfair. So these 2 are extra. So 10 apples divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 friends will give 2 each and a remainder of 2. So the answer is the quotient is 2. This is that very tricky looking word here. Quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so when we're going to work today, I want you to look at page 132 in your pupils book, and it's going to explain everything very nicely. So let's take 11 pencils divided by 5 pencil holders. Divide, 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 divide. And then eventually you will see that, but there's 1 left over. So that means 11 divided by 5, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. That's nice and easy. Okay. Here's the hands-on activity I would like you to do on page 133. And all of this explains, again nicely, the quotient and the remainder. The activity continues on page 134. There it is. You can use discs or pens or matches or toothpicks, whatever you like, to do your own little division, okay? And then also the guided practice on page 134 before you go and do the work in the workbook. But before you do the work in the workbook, there's another method that I would like to show you. So I'm going to send another video now.